Let's begin by dragging in a new drum rack, and in each drum rack for this one here we're going to add a sampler. We can bring in up to 125 snares, so let's just select a whole bunch of them and we're going to drag them into the sampler, and then we're going to click on zone and we're going to click sample select editor, and what that does is it shows you the zones where every sample is being played. I'm going to just right click on that section and click on distribute ranges equally. As you can see now, each sample will be played on a different note. Then you want to click on the selector here and just map that to macro 1, and we'll call that macro snares. And we're going to do the same thing now with kick, and finally we'll do the same thing for hats. And by doing this, you can now audition different snares and kicks and hats every time you play your drum loop. So just take a listen to this. So we'll just go into this macro and we'll just change the position of the macro for hats. Let's do the same thing for snares.